Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to allow cheats in Aternos server. The first method is to add a player via Aternos player page. Go to Players, OPs on Aternos. Enter your in-game name, then click Add. Now you can use cheat commands like /gamemode, give, TP, etc. Repeat the process for any players you want to grant OP rights. The second method is add in Bedrock Edition players with Gayer MC. If you're using the Gayer plugin to allow Bedrock players to join Java servers, you must add a prefix. Enter their username with a dot before it, for example, .playername. And the third method is use console commands, which is the alternative way. Start your server as usual, then go to the console page. Type the command op your username. Replace your username with the actual in-game name. Just know that if your server has cracked mode enabled, this method may not always work correctly. That's why the player's page method is recommended. Once OP is set, you'll have full access to cheat commands and can manage your server more easily. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.